In society, faithfulness and being faithful is indispensable. We need to rely on others, rely on certain thoughts and certain ideas to steer us through life. But as we've discovered, some in your young lives already, and some of us have discovered that quite a few times, that to find people or organizations that you can truly trust on is difficult. Especially these days, it seems as if people's yes is no longer an unequivocal yes. It's more a yes, I will do, as long as it aligns with my time and what I need, until it's not yes, I'll be there anymore. Often we are disappointed and feel betrayed and lonely because those that you trusted in are not there anymore. And so just a question for us then, that say that we are Christ followers, is how reliable are you? When you are supposed to be at a certain place at a certain time, are you on time? Are you there when somebody call and say, I need you? Are you reliable? Or do we sometimes also say, sorry, it's a bit much for me, I can't get there? That's why we need to turn our faith to one that is always there, one that we can always rely on and hold on always.